Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Siddesh. Before starting the video, I would request you all to like the video, comment on the video, share the video as much as possible, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification button to keep getting notification whenever a new video is posted. So today, I have a new story for you guys. So there was this little boy who had a very bad temper. And because of his temper, he was creating a lot of havoc. So his dad decided that let's come up with an idea to control his temper. So what his dad did was, he gave him a bag full of nails and he told him that please note down the number of times you lose your temper in the whole day. Come back in the evening and take these nails, and how many ever times you have lost your temper, go and hit the nails on the fence. So the boy was like, okay dad, I'll do it the way you have told. So the boy started doing it. The first day the boy came back home and he hit 37 nails on the fence. He had lost his temper 37 times. So now the days went on passing one by one, and with time the father realized that the number of nails on the fence started decreasing. Also, the boy realized that it's easier to control his temper rather than hit the nails on the fence. So he was controlling his temper rather than hitting the nails on the fence. So with time, his temper decreased so much that he did not have to put any nail on the fence. He went and told his dad that I have reached a stage where I don't have to put any nail on the fence. Now, the dad told that now with time, whenever you know, do not lose your temper. Whenever you are able to control your temper, you go and remove a nail from the fence. And this also carried on. Finally, the day came when all the nails from the fence were removed. So the son was very proud of his feat. He went to his dad and now he told to his dad that, Dad, look dad, I have reached a stage where all the nails have been removed and I have learned how to manage my temper. Now, the dad took the son to the place where the fence was. And he showed him the scars that all those nails had made on the fence. He told the son, I'm very proud that you have been able to control your temper today. But I also want to show you the consequence of all that you did over these days. Can you see those scars that you have left on the fence because of those nails? Your temper is similar to those scars. Whatever you say when you were angry, whatever you do when you were angry, have created those kind of scars into people's minds. And whatever you do now, whether you say sorry to that person, whether you gift that person something else, that scar remains forever. So the main moral of the story is that whenever we are out of our control, we say things that hurt people in such a way that it creates scars on those people. So always, whenever you get angry next time, just take 2 seconds to 5 seconds to think what the consequence of that anger is going to be. And if you are able to do that every time, then I'm sure you're going to do more good than bad. So guys, this is the news I want to give you all. This is the message I want to give you all. And I hope from today, whoever is listening or seeing this video will bring the small change in your lives. Thank you very much guys, and I'll be back with more videos very soon.